So far in this topic, we've looked at the definition of an efficient market, we've looked at the implications for analysis and investing of market efficiency, and we've looked at the ways in which we can test to see if a market is efficient. So what are the results of testing for efficiency in the Australian Securities Exchange? Before we can look into the actual results of testing, it's useful to bear in mind this possible modification to the definition of efficiency, so that we can consider a market to be efficient if the deviations from theoretical efficiency are so small that after taking into account transaction costs, it is impossible to profitably exploit apparent anomalies, price patterns, and mispricing of securities. Although this is a departure from the theoretical concept of efficiency, it is perhaps a more useful definition because a market is for all practical purposes efficient if you are unable to take advantage of apparent inefficiencies. If we define an efficient market in this way, then the implications of market efficiency would still hold. Testing for weak form efficiency in the ASX, numerous studies have unanimously reported that no useful information can be obtained from past prices, particularly once transaction costs are taken into account. Even if there are situations where statistical testing or technical analysis indicates that we might have more than a 50% chance of predicting the next price movement, it would require a large number of trades to take advantage of this, and the transaction costs would eliminate the potential abnormal return. It also has been found that there is little evidence of a positive relationship in successive price movements. This, however, does pose a paradox. If the market is weak form efficient and technical analysis is a waste of time, why are there so many technical analysts out there? Testing for semi-strong form efficiency, for example through event studies, indicates that prices adjust very quickly to new information, and therefore this is generally consistent with the semi-strong form of market efficiency. However, there are things called capital market anomalies, phenomena which should not in theory be occurring in an efficient market. We'll look more deeply into these capital market anomalies in the next module. Once again, the paradox arises. If the market is semi-strong form efficient and fundamental analysis is a waste of time, why are there so many fundamental analysts? Testing for strong form efficiency usually entails seeing if those with private information can make an abnormal return. The evidence suggests that professional fund managers cannot do this. They're not able to systematically and consistently outperform the market. Inside traders, on the other hand, do seem to be able to make a profit from their illegal activities. Here the evidence is mixed as to whether the market is strong form efficient, but if it is, once again there is a paradox. If the market was strong form efficient and insider trading was a waste of time, why would insider trading be made illegal? To summarise the testing that has been done, the general consensus is that the ASX is weak form efficient, generally semi-strong form efficient, but not strong form efficient. It is likely that there is sufficient departure from market efficiency that allows the very best technical and fundamental analysts to make a return, and perhaps that's what keeps everyone else interested.